nachos with veggie. For that we need nachos, onion, capsicum, boiled corn, tomato, cheese, chili flakes, salt, oregano, tomato ketchup. Now we will take a bowl. First we will take onion. After that we will take tomato. After that we will take capsicum. After that we will take corn. Now we will take salt. After that we will take chili flakes. After that we will take oregano. Now we will take ketchup. Now we will mix. Now we will take 1 spoon and we will do like this. Now we will put cheese on these nachos. Sprinkle mixed herbs on these cheesy and vegetable nachos. Now we will put our nachos in microwave. Now we will start microwave for 1.5 minutes. So friends, our Mexican cheesy nachos are ready. If you like my videos, so please share and subscribe too. And like also.